Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hannah, and for today's video, I'll be doing a pantry organization vlog. So the first thing I did was I checked my pantry and take note of all the individual items that needed to be better organized. These gave me a sense of how many jars, containers, and baskets I would need, and the sizes for each as well. We took a drive to IKEA and started to hunt for items that would meet my needs. As you may have already worked out, I absolutely love IKEA, not only because they stock affordable products, but also because they are always well thought out in functionality and design. So this is my unorganized, messy, and cluttered pantry looked like. I started to empty the pantry by placing the items on my kitchen bench and checking the expiration dates as I went along. There were a few items that were so buried that they had been expired for a few months and needed to be thrown out. After each shelf was emptied, I wiped it down thoroughly because I wanted a fresh, clean slate for my new organization. So these are the things we bought from IKEA. I've got some jars of various sizes, as well as baskets, a lazy Susan, and some small shelves. Also, make sure before you use your containers, you give them a good wash. After washing the containers, you can start to fill them up with the pantry goods. It's also a good idea to label your jars so that you know what's in each one. Otherwise, you might mix it up with your regular flour with a self-raising flour. You don't want that to happen. So I ordered these labels from Little Miss Shy, and I am so happy with how they turned out. Not only does it help with identifying what's in each jar, it took the style of my pantry to a whole new level. After that, you can arrange your containers into groups that make sense to keep together, whilst keeping in mind your vision of how your pantry will look like when it's complete. Okay guys, so this is our organized pantry now. Ta-da! So I put all the drinks in there. There's a little bit left on this one. Some of those containers or baskets, I bought it from Kmart. They're really good. It's got a lid on it as well. Look how organized up top now. And then we come in here. I've got this lazy Susan from IKEA. It's really good. It's easy to get stuff. Even though I've put stuff in the middle, it's easy to get. And then I've got my Milo over there. These two containers here, I've put international. There you go. It's just mixed international stuff. Then this is how it looks like now. These are my spices. And over here as well. And down there, I've got some glutinous rice, arborio rice, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. I've put it in one section since I feel like they go together. And then here, I've put the cereals, wheat bix, those ones too, noodles and pasta, got spaghetti. And then for baking, I've got lolly jar as well and snack jar. And then over here, I've got my spreads. I've got, of course, my biscuit since hubby's half Dutch. Tea and coffee. I've got pasta and pasta sauce. I've just combined it. I've just put pasta sauce in it. Canned goods. We've got snacks and baking. So these containers I've bought it from IKEA as well. They're really good. They've got small sizes too, like this one here. I've put some of my bits and pieces here. Anything random, it's in there. Got rice, of course. And then I've got my medicine and vitamins, refills. It's really good because then we know what we're going to buy the next time we go shopping. So I've got my potatoes, onions, garlic over there, and ginger. This one, guys, I bought this wrap as well from IKEA. It's supposedly for office works, but I found it really good for those stuff. So yeah. And then up here, I've got some of my oven bags, foil, Glad wrap, and everything. Gloves as well. And this wrap, it's from Kmart. So go check Kmart too. And then, yeah, I'm really happy with how my pantry looks like now. It's so much better and it's easier to find stuff and put stuff back. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you'll be updated with my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you. Bye.